Hello, welcome to Little Pine Education presents Pam and Dad, the best fluency stories, Level B, Number 1, Short A. That's Pam. Pam looks sad. What do you think Pam's going to do? Let's read and find out. First, we'll practice the short A words. Sad, cat, nap, dad, van, sand, pack, had, tan, glad. Challenge words are said, walk, sand, and glad. Pam was sad. She pet her cat. She had a nap. Dad said, "We can go in the van. We can go for a walk by the sand." Pam said, "I will pack my bag." She got in the van. There she is. She looks pretty happy. They had a walk in the sand. She had a tan. She was glad. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed our story. I'll see you next time.